Hello. Welcome to Top Moments TV today. We are following some lucky loggers. Their journeys, their stories remind us to always prioritize safety in our work. Good luck. The ancient tree stood tall and majestic in front of him, as if it were a challenge. He carefully measured and chose the direction to fall the tree so as not to cause danger. However, in just a split second, a small mistake occurred. When the last saw cut reached the core of the tree, the entire giant tree leaned towards the small house nearby. A loud bang sounded, startling everyone around. The house was crushed by the tree trunk. The roof tiles shattered, and wooden planks fell everywhere. The man stood still, the saw falling from his hand, his eyes filled with regret. That incident was like a great lesson, reminding everyone to always be careful and have careful calculations in all tasks.
Oh my God.
This tractor can be made for fun. Seriously, no amount of money can get it. I had to do it out of respect for the people. Maybe it's not the ideal approach, but hey, if people who know a few feet of rope can do it all, maybe he's just a weekend warrior. Didn't think this through.
Here it comes.
Oh my God, this is dangerous, stupid.
Really tall trees too. And there's Matter. Go Matter. There goes the tree. There goes. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God.
His subjectivity will hurt him. A chainsaw lying there looking like a venomous snake about to strike. Ready to spray poison. Wood chipper is an important equipment in the wood processing industry, used to process excess wood or waste into small wood chips. These wood chips can be used as raw materials for paper production, wood pellets, or as organic fertilizer.
Let's see what we can do with this big giant thing. To go crazy deep.
The stump grinder is designed to handle large stumps quickly and efficiently. With sharp blades and a powerful rotating mechanism, the machine can grind and shred the hardest stumps, turning them into wood chips in a short time.
I think the stump's a good
Wow, what idiots drive trucks. This is not entertainment. It is an oversized, overloaded, dangerous tractor. Have you ever looked at a large old tree and wondered what secrets it holds inside? Sometimes those secrets are a little rotten. Luckily we have amazing people who make sure these giants come down without harming anyone or anything. The roar of chainsaws echoes, mingling with the powerful echoes of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, not only stand firm on the mountain but also control every saw stroke, every winch. They are not just loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where just the smallest mistake can change the direction of their entire life. A circular wood lathe is a type of mechanical device used to process and shape wooden parts into circles or other complex geometric shapes. The machine is designed with a main rotating shaft, where the wooden workpiece is fixed and rotated, along with a lathe knife or cutting tool to remove excess material, creating a smooth and precise surface. The modern wood plank splitter is an advanced device designed to optimize the wood processing process. With its large size and sturdy structure, the machine is equipped with a sharp saw blade made of high-grade alloy, ensuring fast and accurate wood cutting. The automatic control system on the machine helps the operator easily set the thickness and size of the board as required, minimizing errors. Some machines also integrate laser sensors, supporting positioning and cutting wood with high precision. Logging is a job that requires strength, skill and extreme caution. Workers are constantly exposed to potential risks, from trees falling in the wrong direction to unexpected machine breakdowns. Operating heavy machinery such as chainsaws, tractors or log trucks requires absolute concentration. Even a small mistake can lead to a serious accident, endangering lives. Despite the dangers, logging is always attractive because of the strength of humans and machines working together to conquer nature. The support of machines will make us more comfortable when heavy work takes place that humans are not strong enough to fight. The bulky truck carrying timber lumbered down the slope. Large bundles of timber stacked precariously on the bed. Suddenly, the brakes screeched, the wheels skidding on the slippery road. The entire vehicle shook violently before losing control. Tilting to one side, in the blink of an eye, it flipped over into the ditch on the side of the road. Timber pouring out of the bed like a waterfall, rolling everywhere. The frame of the vehicle was distorted. The front of the vehicle was heavily dented, and smoke billowed, creating a desolate scene in the middle of the deserted slope. The John Deere 1270D is a specialized forestry machine, designed to remove large tree stumps efficiently and quickly. The sound when the machine is operating is quite loud, but it gives a feeling of power. He is brave to overcome fear. Dangers lurking at any time. A hero. The tree stump planer is a powerful and useful device in the forestry and gardening fields. With a sturdy design and sharp blade, the machine is used to remove large tree stumps left after felling. When operating, the blade rotates at high speed, grinding and crushing the tree stump into small sawdust, making the ground flat and ready for the next job. Moorbark sawmill is a modern, indispensable technological solution in the wood processing industry. Smartly designed and equipped with advanced technology, the machine helps remove the outer bark of the tree trunk quickly, accurately, and saves time, far surpassing traditional manual methods. With a sharp cutting blade system and powerful motor, the machine can flexibly handle many types of trees with different sizes and bark thicknesses. Not only helping to save labor and increase productivity, the Moorbark sawmill bark peeler also contributes to promoting the sustainable development of the wood industry. Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.